guys, and today we're gonna be playing some Dio again. I wasn't recording the first part till I got here, and right now I'm on a mission to kill the first person on the leaderboard. He has 143k, so I die or I win. Okay, we have to find where it is though. It's just I'm trying Sunday's chat. Sunday, if you guys know Sunday. He plays this also. Okay, let's go kill this dude. You guys can see in my stats, it's like this. Yeah. The first person has 144k. I only have 44k. I'm a destroyer class, by the way. You have to get the machine gun, and then you have to level up to level 30 right there. And then you got destroyer, and it gives you a lot of boost. And you like shoot at the opposite direction. Okay, so where is this dude? I'm gonna guess he's in the middle. I don't know. Let's just make our way down to the middle. Oh wait, this is not the middle. $45 is the max level, by the way. That's not. Oh wait, I think I just saw. Oh yeah, he used that class, by the way. The guy you just saw, Rama, I think. So I thought it was him. What is the 3 XP? No score. Whoa, I think that's him. That's him. That's him. That's him. That's him. That's him. Unless, okay, no, there's a lot. Where is Spin Team? Like, is he hiding? Last time I saw him, it was he was all the way over here, but I wasn't recording because I couldn't kill him. No, hi. I'm gonna kill this guy. I die. I win. Okay, I'm dead. I'm dead. I escaped. This is so frustrating. Where is he? Poop, what do you want? I regen super fast because I have a health regen 8. Seriously, where is this dude? Oh, he died? I'm first? Okay, let me just try killing everyone. this guy. This guy, die left, die left, die left. Yeah. With 52k. Batman. Just gonna try killing anyone I see. Okay, this guy. I don't care. Okay, if I die, I'm done. I'm done my mission. Thank you all for watching, and yeah, see you in the next video or stream.